When unpleasant odors in the car cannot be dispersed by simply letting in fresh air, it's time for Wurth's Silver Ion Quick Fresh Silver Spray. Using it is extremely simple. Switch the air conditioning off and the blower on. Turn the blower on to maximum and set to cold. Shake the can well and place it in a central position in the car. Then activate the spray button and leave the car. After just 10 minutes, all unpleasant odors from the interior and the air conditioning have been dispersed. At the same time, the antibacterial silver ions put a stop to mold and bacteria. Any residues can be simply wiped away with a damp cloth. Quick Fresh Silver is the clever alternative when normal air fresheners fail. It restores freshness to your car.